record the storm. Wendy's got the poncho. It's always good. It's a little crappy out. All the freaking branches. Ah! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh, there goes the umbrella and a branch. Oh my god. Oh, it pushed itself back down. Oh, that sucks.
That's the one I'm afraid of. You gotta watch out for that whenever you're going down the street. Stand up near the house, not near under the tree. Or out in the open.
Oh.
Oh, look, the top of that one went too.
Oh, yeah.
It's the very top of it.
Damn, I still gotta go back home. I gotta go get some food and wine. Uh-oh. There it goes. Yeah, and then I gotta make a run for it. Right. I'm walking. I gotta get this in now. I just don't want to be under here when another gust of wind comes. How's this tree doing? That's a good one. Flooding.
Water beach.
Look at everything. Holy crap, it's like a whole different yard almost. Definitely got plenty of brush for the fire. For sure.
Up and down.
Where'd these frickin' gallons come from? Oh, one of the trees landed right in the brush pile. So that worked out good. Alright, back in the home.